Britain is easing travel restrictions for those who are fully vaccinated. From mid-July, those returning to the UK from medium-risk countries will no longer have to self-isolate, but they will still need to get tested for COVID-19. The amber list of countries includes top destinations like Spain, France, the United States and Italy. Currently, people arriving from there have to self-isolate for 10 days. Ollie Barrett joins us live. Ollie, I'm sure that's a welcome boost to the travel industry.
It certainly opens up dozens more destinations to millions more Britons who have already been double vaccinated. Around 2/3 of the adult population here in the UK has received 2 vaccine doses. And the amber list and green list for those people are now effectively the same. Those people can travel to those countries and return to England without needing to quarantine on their return. And it's that need to quarantine that means that so many people have not been making international trips, whether that be for family reunions or business or holiday. There are still millions of people here in the UK who have not been double vaccinated, so it doesn't leave them with any further options for holidays. But it does mean that the travel industry should be able to see significantly more business in the coming weeks as a result of this policy change. There are some complications to the issue, though. As I say, it's on the return to England, not yet the rest of the UK. That's one complication. Another is that the UK government is saying that this applies to people who've been vaccinated here in the UK by the NHS. So if you're a British resident currently abroad who's perhaps received a vaccine in another country, you can't then return to the UK without quarantining.
And also the airlines will now have to check the vaccine status of passengers. How will they do that?
It is going to be complicated for the industry, all of this. And in fact, Grant Shapps, the Transport Secretary, as he made the announcement in the House of Commons, said that he wanted people to be clear that travelling this European summer is not going to be like travel was before the pandemic hit. There's going to be longer waiting times at the border, more checks, more paperwork, testing requirements as well. When it comes to vaccine certification, the UK government says, as I say, it has to be an NHS administered vaccine dose. When you get an NHS administered vaccine dose, you can either apply for paper certification that the NHS can provide to you, or the government hopes the vast majority of people will take that vaccine certification through a National Health Service app that they can then present to the airlines. But as I say, it is not going to be easy travelling this summer, but many millions of Brits will want to do so nonetheless.
Indeed, as always, many thanks. Ollie Barrett in London.